Okay, here's a quick video on how to use one of these ratchet straps when you're trying to tie something down and move it. First thing you want to do is just unravel your entire ratchet strap. There's always questions as to where and how to feed this in. So you have two hooks, a hook on the strap side and a hook on the ratchet side. Make sure you lock those onto something. Then, taking your ratchet, you are going to feed your strap through the ratchet. I like to start on the handle side and feed it through the other side. The reason I like to do it this way is because then it gets out of the way of the actual ratcheting part, and it will not get in the middle when you're trying to ratchet this up. If you do it the other way and you come through on this side in between, now it's going to get stuck where you're ratcheting. So always come through on the outside here, pull through until it's tight. When it's tight, pull this back, and then you can start ratcheting, and it will pull more and more of that strap into the ratchet until you're nice and tight. To release, pull this down, open it all the way up, and then pull your strap